YouTube? It's your girl Ebony Sheree, and I have come to you with a first impression video. And your girl is rocking the J-Sculpt, the J-Sculpt belt, the J-Sculpt. Now, there's no actual J-Sculpt song, I was just doing that. Now y'all know I am a waist eraser advocate and have been for many years. 4 years to be exact, because Sebastian is 4, because I got one right after I had him. I know how that works. I gave you a play-by-play on that, between that and a waist cincher. What is it? What are they called? I forget. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Yeah, I gave you a review of those. So what do we think about the J-Sculpt waist belt? I've had it on for almost 2 weeks. My first day wearing it was last Monday. So if you follow me on Instagram at either the Ebony Sheree, my personal page, or my fitness page, which is Pound Cake Physique, you've seen me wearing it. Now, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me tell you why. My first concern was the fact that with this, there was no additional tightening. Like with the waist eraser, you could kind of manipulate it to be tighter, you know, as you got smaller. With the waist eraser, one main difference in my mind was that over time, as you are losing inches, you're losing weight, you're losing circumference around your midsection, you are able to make the waist eraser tighter and tighter and tighter up until the integrity of the Velcro just gave way. It was like, look, you need to go buy another one. Go get you a smaller size. I've done all I can. I'm done. That was my concern. With the J-Sculpt belt, it does have a, you know, belt effect where you are tightening, like this part right here. You can still, there's not enough pull, you know, on each side, but I can still give me a good little cinch effect, you know. So that I was pleased, pleasantly surprised, very happy about that. Also, there's no boning and like piping in the let me get my waist eraser. All right, comparison. Number 2, the metal like boning in the waist eraser, like you see these are coming out. See these right here? This, over time, will start to poke out, and it can irritate you. It'll cause you to be able to try to resituate yourself, if you will, with that on. I do not see any type of boning with that in the J-Sculpt belt. It's not, they do have, let me show you. They do have some compartments that are allowing you to, I should take it off, but I'm gonna take it off. I'm wearing this. I've been wearing this all day, boo. They do have some kind of adhesion methods where it's something similar to that, but it's not as thick, it's not as I wouldn't say strong enough to puncture through the fabric, because it's bendable, it's breathable, it works with your body. Not saying that this one doesn't, but it's a targeted type of waist garment. It's, if you, wherever you're gonna put it, that's where it's gonna work on. Not saying it doesn't work, but that's where it's gonna target. Now with the J-Sculpt belt, given the fact that it's so long, it's covering everything. It's like a little hug. It's like a little BBL in the belt, if you will. Like, it's just, there you go. You're snatched up to the heavens, okay? You're ready to go for the day, for the workout, for whatever occasion you happen to be wearing this, whatever purpose you're wearing this for. So that was also what I was looking forward to having, because with the waist eraser, it's Target. I'm gonna put it on my waist, I'm gonna make it lower, put it on my, you know, lower abs. That's my focus for whatever day I'm having on that particular location. Now, if you have it on your lower abs, that means all your little back fat, your little side chisels right here, your little chicken cutlets, they're not getting no love. You know, they're not getting compressed. They're not getting the workout. They're not seeing all the benefits. Okay? J-Sculpt got you from the, you know, your breast augmentation incision all the way down to your C-section. That's the J-Sculpt is covering surgery to surgery, okay? It's covering everything. So be glad, be fortunate, look forward to that, because that's what separates this kind of belt from the waist eraser. Now, there are other belts out there, of course. I mean, of course, they, you know, everybody have their own thing. However, I wanted to try this because Black owned again. Sisters doing it for themselves. We got Keisha Kaoir with the Kaoir waist eraser, and we got Jazz Jackson with the J-Sculpt. And I've been following her makeup and other things on YouTube for a while. Lost touch, and I say lost touch like I know her, but I lost touch by when I wasn't getting into makeup, when I wasn't watching makeup tutorials and makeup videos regularly. I stopped watching a lot of people, and then I picked it back up. So when I noticed, I was like, oh, she got some fitness going on. I saw the physique, I was like, oh, okay, boo, I see what you're doing. I need to understand why you look the way that you look. Now, she's always said she's always been curvy, but she just needed to, you know, chisel her curviness, because girl look bad. If you ain't seen her, you need to go ahead and click on the Instagram and go see about her. Go see about her, because she looks really good. So that was another reason why I got this, and also to review, because all I've known for the past 4 years is waist eraser. Now I want to be totally biased and have my nose up in here like I'm not trying nothing else, because I don't want to be like that. You don't know what you're missing if you don't try the stuff, okay? So those are the comparisons that I have seen thus far in my 2 weeks. That is what I ain't trying to tell me I was shining. I'm shining. I'm like a light bulb up in here. You know, I just got off work, came home, and was like, let me get this together before I forget. Y'all got me up here looking like a crystal ball, and y'all ain't even trying to tell your girl that she shining. It's like 90-something degrees outside, so. Okay. Anyway, those are my assessments for the 2 weeks that I've had it. So the boning is a key factor. The full length of the torso is a key factor. It's bendable, breathable. I like that. You can kinda continue tightening as you get smaller, but the fact that it has a zipper is going to just allow but so much. Like once you drop some serious weight or some serious inches, you're going to have to go down. I have a size large, and that's another thing. Buy the size that they tell you to buy. When you put your measurements in, don't try to be vain. Don't try to get cute and be like, you know what? I think I should get a medium, because I ain't really that. I shouldn't be wearing a large. You don't know how they created the sizing. Just because you're not a large in shirts or you're not a large in pants, how they've measured to create this form fit. You a large in this, okay? Don't try to be cute and like, I'm gonna get a small and you be disappointed when you get it. Then we try and blame Jazz. No, it ain't her fault, boo. It's not her fault. Pick the correct size. Now, while exercising, the breathability, movability, I'm telling you, yesterday, I was doing some burpees and some mountain climbers and some crunches and all kinds of cardiovascular exercises. And I'm telling you, the J-Scope was like, I'm right here with you. What we got? 4 more? How many sets you want to do? J-Scope was with me, okay? Okay, no sliding, no shifting, no nothing, no rubbing, nothing, nothing. Oh, wait a second. I'm going to tell you this. Because I also got the Drenched by J-Scope, okay? Which is a warming, muscle enhancing type of topical treatment, if you will. It's not a cream. It's kind of like a, you know how Vicks feels? It's kind of Vicksy type of texture. Smells good. Smells not Vicksy, but that's the vibe you're probably gonna go towards. It's got all natural. Let's see, can you see? Ingredients, but it does have some I think that's the menthol that you smell. Ingredients: pomegranate, coconut oil, kosher jojoba aloe vera extract, vitamin E. We got some caffeine, fennel extract, seaweed, grape seed, cocoa extract, eucalyptus oil, and menthol. The menthol is what you smell. So it's got some good stuff in here. So you put it on, get your workout going, even if you're not working out. Just regular movement. I have a visitor. I have a co-star. You see how he just snuck up on me like that? You saw how he just go ahead and photo bombed, video bombed my whole thing? We talking about you. Yes. How you got the head cocked to the side? No, I'm not kissing you. Yeah. I'm not kissing you. I'm not kissing you. Oh, goodness. I knew this was going to happen. This is what I was yelling at earlier. No, give me a kiss. No, not on my lips. Okay. This is the waist eraser. This is why I had to purchase that. Stop. So, oh, I'm sorry. The menthol is what you smell. But like I said, I put it on even if I'm not working out, because I put it on in the morning because I wear my, yes, I wear my waist eraser. Lord, let's not disrespect the J-Scope every day, all day at work. So I put it on, and I'm telling you, by the time I'm dropping off the first child at the bus stop, that thing is warm. My stomach is like, hello, what we doing? We not working out? Are we just driving? Oh, okay. That's what it's telling me. But Bay and B, when I do work out, I'm telling you. So be working it out. Okay? So be motivated, be pumped, be excited to get you some J-Scope. And she got a discount right now. I think the discount code is Summer Challenge. Go get you, what is it, 20% off? Hello? Hello, where you can save some coin? No. Let's not mess up my Audrey. Boy, about to mess up my whole Audrey picture. Anyway, so yes, that is my review. That is my input. I am going to be a stan for J-Sculpt. I'm here for it, and he's handing me things that don't belong in this video. But I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. I'm going to continue wearing. Yes, thank you. Clean up on aisle 6. Thank you, Sebastian. I'm going to keep wearing it, and I'm going to keep enjoying it. And I'll give you another update, maybe another 2 weeks. I'll give you a 4-week update. Yes. Moms, get pumped. J-Sculpt. Oh, are we? Oh, J-Sculpt. Pun intended. But yeah. So get pumped. Get excited. Go order one. You can start off slow. Do some walking. Do some jogging. You know, you ain't got to go ham in the gym. Do a little bit. Do some household cleaning. Get you some laundry going on. Get you some Bending over with the crunches with the dishwasher. Hello? Hello, you still moving? You still active? Do whatever you feel you need to do to get you started. Because it doesn't take much. You can do it. I believe in you. That's it. We out. Talk to you guys later. Deuces. Bye. You say deuces? Thumbs up. Say bye.
Bye, Grandma.
Grandma, no, we're talking to YouTube.
Camera.
Oh, camera. My bad.
Bye, camera.
Bye, camera.